Hi, my name is Giselle and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube video. Today we will be discussing about intervals. Intervals are the distance between two notes, and we're going to talk about intervals within one octave throughout these next few videos. So for today, we will be discussing about intervals of two. Literally, those notes are right next to each other. When you are reading music, a second interval is moving from a line to a space, and you will notice that those notes are next to each other. If you look at a harmonic interval, those two notes are literally below and above the other notes. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Have a beautiful day.